All right, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and set up for these. Well, I'm already set up. I'm set up for some homemade meatballs that I usually make with my spaghetti. So we're just gonna go ahead and make the meatballs here in Shauna's Mother Loving Nation. I let this stuff raw. It's a little bloody. Some of that blood because I did let my cat in heat, y'all. So she's meowing like a mug. Anyway, I let the ground turkey go ahead and defrost. I use ground turkey, y'all. Ground turkey. 85% lean, 15% fat. Not like it matters. I don't know if it does. So, I'm going to use some of this just for the meatballs, y'all. And the rest going to go like with the spaghetti, with the meatballs for one side. So I think, excuse me, this is enough for the meatballs. I don't want to make a little bit too much. I mean, if I over make it, I could just freeze some, which will save me some time for next time. So, yeah, I see how much I use. The rest is going to be for what I put inside just the meat butter spaghetti. I'm over here dropping some. I'm glad I got this napkin right here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side. We're going to focus on what I'm using to season this. Let me get myself another napkin. I got this candle burning and it smells good. This is a, y'all can see that? Vanilla mango candle. I'm almost done with it, y'all. This stuff right here, it's by, I don't know, LW Home, I don't know. But it smells good. I had got this from Marshall's like 2 years ago. And I'm just now getting into lighting candles. Trust me, it's the best thing ever. So, alright. So, let's go ahead and start stirring this meat up. Let me pull my robe sleeves up. Just put that out there. Alright, let's go ahead and season this up. So, I'm going to start off with some pepper. Ain't much in here. That's why I brought the other one. It's about a teaspoon in here. Not even. It's like a half a teaspoon left up in here. But it's not much. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that to the side. So I'm going to add about a, not even a tablespoon, about a teaspoon of pepper. Then I'm going to go ahead and with my garlic and herbs seasoning. You know, season to your liking. But me, I put about a teaspoon of everything, okay? That was garlic and herbs, but now I'm going to go in with strictly garlic powder. That wasn't a full tablespoon, but then to give it that little kick, I tried not to drop it, then I dropped it. We're back. To go in with that little kick, I'm going to use some crushed peppers. Not too much of this if you got kids and they don't like spicy stuff. Like a little teaspoon worth of this stuff. And then I go heavy with the Italian seasoning. So I'm going to take the lid off of that one. And that's about 2 teaspoons. Or no, that's about 2 tablespoons, girls. What am I talking about? And I'm going to go with that adobo. Okay. I'm back. Hold up. I was having a moment. It's alright. So I'm going to go in with enough of this. That's good. That was about a good tablespoon and a half. Then we go in with a little bit of sugar. I'm going to use so much sugar, so it's kind of getting hard. I'm going to use a lot of sugar in this house. We use stuff that's already sweet. Now, let me stop. I'm going to go just like a teaspoon of sugar, not that much. Give it that little sweet and spiciness. Then let me get my egg. I forgot. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I should have said that in the beginning, but I didn't. And that's all good. Like I said, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Give my video a thumbs up. Leave some down in the comments below for me. Whatever it is, just leave it down. Just leave it down in the comments and press that subscribe button. Somewhere down there. I gotta sneeze, y'all. Hold up. I had to step away. Anyhow, then I'll go ahead in there with some breadcrumbs, but I usually stir this up first to see what I'm looking like. I have already put in here at the bottom, which you first saw in the video, which I should have said, but I didn't. It's some onions, some sweet peppers. It's yellow, orange, and red sweet peppers, and some mushrooms. So yes, I got some mushrooms in here, and I got some scallions. That's all that's in here. So that's red peppers, some scallions, some sweet peppers, which is the orange, red, and yellow ones. That's all. And some mushrooms, y'all. Some mushrooms. So we're going to go ahead and get that a good mix. Then I got to go ahead and roll them up. So you can actually use whatever seasonings that you like. You can use whatever you like. You know, if you're not okay with the seasonings I use, well, this is the way that I do it. So don't bash me in the comments, okay? This is only a Positive Vibes channel. I like to keep it that way. Okay? Baby's sleeping, so I am trying to kind of hurry up before she wakes up. Anyhow, yeah, this is basically what I do. So everything look mixed up pretty well. I see my onions. I still see my scallions. Thank God. I want to taste it. See, I'm the type of person, I want to taste my vegetables inside of my own mushrooms. I want to be able to taste that scallion or that mushroom or that pepper. I want to be able to taste it. And these have some flavor, y'all. That's for anybody who ever tried my meatballs. These things are so flavorful. I don't like the stuff that you buy packaged in a bag. But don't get me wrong, I do buy them sometimes when I don't feel like doing all of this. But I prefer these. And y'all gonna see. That ain't nothing, y'all. It's all good. If that happens, it's all good. Anyhow, y'all gonna see the ending result of this. They are so good. Because the way that I cook them, I don't just throw them in there with the meat. Like I have my chopped meat with my spaghetti still. And put this on top, but I cook this separately. I don't go ahead and cook that with the chopped meat. This is cooked all by itself because it needs that loving. You know, that loving, you know, that one-on-one. So I think that's mixed up enough. I'm getting it everywhere. And then I'm going to add about maybe, that looked like a half a cup of breadcrumbs. I don't even, that's not even a half cup. Maybe 3 tablespoons. How much is a cup, y'all? Not that I'm measuring. Probably half a cup of breadcrumbs. Where that measuring cup just go, y'all? I don't know where it go, but now when you see it's not like really loose how I just had it, then you know it's ready to start. You're ready to start basically, what do you call it? Rolling them into meatballs. So you're ready to start shaping them. I'm gonna add just a little bit more breadcrumbs. And this is the breadcrumbs I like to use. I don't really see the crushed red peppers. I'm gonna add like a little bit more because I didn't realize how much was really in this bowl. Just a little bit. A little sprinkle. Alright, you're going to keep mixing it until you feel as if it's safe. So you keep it that love, y'all. Give it that love. All right. If you want to see more videos like this, leave it down in the comments below, because I can come with the recipes, y'all. I know how to get down in the kitchen when I want to. But I don't mind giving my kids some chicken nuggets and french fries. That air fryer come in handy. If you haven't seen the air fryer video, look at that. That's how you know. A person who don't get messy don't cook. You feel me? If you haven't seen the air fryer video, it's somewhere around here. I'm going to try to go ahead and put that up above. Matter of fact, no. I'm not good at that. But I'm going to leave it down in the description box below for the air fryer video. If you don't have you one, get you one. Trust me, it comes in handy. So, yep. I've been prepping that for about 10 minutes now. I'm going to go ahead and get my plate and start shaping them. And then y'all stay tuned. I like them a nice size too. Look, I see that mushroom. Look like a pretty good size, y'all. That's a pretty good size. I might have to freeze some of these. I think it's too much. Let's either have to throw it with the spaghetti chopped meat, or I can just throw this in the freezer. So, I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, y'all. So, I got a few meatballs prepared and ready. I'm going to go ahead and put them in a pan. I usually will go ahead and put this butter. This is good, y'all. This is good on some toast, on some bagels. Trust me, it's good. And it's good in your pasta, y'all. Don't get it twisted. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. Let this melt a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and load the meatballs up in here. So let's go ahead and get the meatballs. So I have 6 meatballs rolled out. And lay them in there. Try not to lay them too close together until they start to cook, because what will happen is they will start to break up, y'all. If they're too close together before they cook, they will start to break up. From trying to turn it, it will mash. Smash, mash. So I put 6 in there. We're going to go ahead and let that cook on one side. I'm going to go ahead and cover that up. And we're going to go ahead and let that cook. We'll be back. So the first batch is done. I got the second batch on. So we're going to go ahead and let that cook. I got too many videos going right now. So I'll be back with the end result. Alright, y'all. So I just added some sauce to the rest of the meatballs. This is how it's looking. I'm going to go ahead and put some on a plate or in a bowl. And then I cut one open for y'all. And that's it. Alright, y'all, so this is the finishing touch of the Italian meatballs with mushrooms. So these are basically stuffed meatballs. So I got peppers, mushrooms, onions, you know, some scallions inside, on top, all of that. So I just added some sauce. This is the end of it. You can add whatever sauce you want. You can have it without sauce. You can have it with sauce. I'm going to serve this later on top of some spaghetti noodles. I just wanted to make the meatballs now. I make the meatballs later because it's only like 2:28. And I'm kind of trying to cook when the baby's asleep. And she just woke up, so I had time to get this done, thank God. And that's just it. Let's go ahead and let's get one open for y'all so y'all can see the inside. That's the fork I just used. And let's see. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Y'all see them peppers in there? Mm-hmm. See the mushrooms in there, y'all. Mm-hmm. See, that's what I be trying to tell the kids. By the time it's cooked, y'all not gonna know that it's stuff on the inside. Y'all ain't gonna know. Look at that. Look at that. And this stuff is good, y'all. Y'all should definitely try it. And let me know in the comments down below. Go ahead and have me one. Listen. Look at that. It's well done, y'all. All of that. This is good. Definitely try making this. If y'all like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Leave down in the comments down below if you're gonna go ahead and try this recipe. If not, it's all good. What it look like to you? It look good to me. It tastes good to me. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like button and give me a nice old big old like. And then subscribe. I take my robe off, y'all. It was getting hot. It was getting hot up in here. Okay? Hey, mama. And that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.